All right. So market just open. It's Monday. This is when I start doing the wheel strategy right here at the open on Monday. All right. So I am going to go down to, here's some of the stocks I have shares in right now. I'm actually going to, there's a list here of the stocks I use for the wheel strategy. Some I have shares in, some I do not. The ones I do not, I'll be doing cash secured puts. All right, so I normally start with the ones I already have shares in. So let's go up here. I'm not going to do Cody, and I'll explain why in another video. Let's do SLV here. And I usually will sell them right where I got assigned them. So, and I usually do the same strikes. So 2150, I'll just do they're all weekly here. So 2150, and I'll just put it, basically right where it's at here. So view that and agreeing to sell, just making sure I have the right buy, sell, and put or call indicator there. So this is correct here. And process that one. All right, filed. And just swipe over to the next one here. And again, average cost $31.50. So that's the strike I'll use, $31.50, and I just kind of put it right where it's at here. Sometimes I'll adjust it a little bit, but most of the time not really. Let's see, this one I'll adjust a little bit. Maybe 52 is fine. So I'll submit that. See if it goes through. I don't really wait to see if it goes through. I'll just come back to it. So this one here is $11. So I already have an order in this. I think I front ran this one last week. So this one expires this week there. All right, so I'll move on. And there's one other one. I think, yeah, this one already is. I have another one going out a little ways. I kind of front ran it when gold was down. I got $19 for it. I could have gotten about $100 right now. So that did not work out well. So anyway, the average cost was $38.25. So it's about $38.50 is the other one. And I could check down here again. Call expiration $38.50. So we'll do $38.50 this week. And wow, the bid-ask spread is very high on this, but we'll just see what, yeah, all right, I see that. And we'll go there and see what happens. I could probably get a little bit more. You know what, we'll try 90 and then we'll see what happens. We'll go through, I'll check on it later. Nat Gas. Yeah, this one I got a little while ago. It's at 1050. I could probably lower the strike down a little bit because this will have to go up 36% to actually make sense. So you know what? I think I'll do. I'll roll the dice here a little bit, and I'll go with $10. So I'll go and see if I can get 2 cents out of this. I'm not even sure if I'll be able to get that, but we'll check back on that one later. Just showing you all what I'm doing here. Now this one, I got 400 shares on, and the average cost I don't really go by because I've been in and out of these, a lot of them. So here's the 4 call expirations. It has gone down this past week, so I'm not going to do the $47 call expiration. My average on that is $46.50 for that expiration, but $46.50 doesn't exist anymore because it's so far away from the money. But at $41, $42, and $43 calls I'm going to do, and I'll probably just do the $47 one, replace it with a $44 one. So 41 through 44. We'll sell call, so we'll do scroll up here. We're not going to make a whole lot of money on this, but it is what it is. All right. That was 41. I'll do it again for the 42. Sell, call. All right. And these should go in pretty quick because I'm not even trying to adjust these. So 43. And the last one I'm going to do 44, and you can see why this is triple leveraged. So it still have to go up like 8% this week. I mean, I could go up higher and not lose that much at all. I mean, I could do 44.50, and it's only going to cost me an extra $2 here. You know, it doesn't. I mean, I'll just do 44. But normally, it would have to go up like the underlining triple Q would have to go up 40 or over 8% to kind of have this go away. And I don't think that'll happen this week, but you know, we'll see. So anyway, yeah. Oh shoot, I forgot to always make sure you go back to sell call. Actually, you know what? It's not that much, and this week, you know, anything can happen. I'll just do the 46 and put it right around where I got assigned on this. So again, not that much money lost there. All right, so this one I'm at $68. Sell call. All right. Hold on here. Yeah, probably about right there. All right. And here we got 200 shares, 37. Yeah, so the last two was 36.50 and 37.50. Not going to get very much for these because of the move. Again, this is triple leverage, and the Russell 2K got a pretty big move. So yeah, I'm not going to get very much from this at all. You can see it'd have to go up about 8 or 9% here. Again, anything could happen, and I'll just go ahead and do this here anyway. Yeah, it's fine. So yeah, 36.50, and then another one will be 37.50. Yeah, sometimes I try to go for 50% annualized return on these, but sometimes I don't get it. Sometimes it's going to be more, sometimes it's going to be lower. And again, like I think I got assigned these last week or 2 weeks ago, and then I sold calls on them, and they had a huge move, so they could have a huge move the other way. So yeah, I'm not too worried about it. You could tell like most of these are triple leveraged ETFs here. I think I just get more bang for the buck on them, and that's the whole point, is generating income on these. So 34.50 is my average on this. So sell call. See, and I'm getting a lot more bang for the buck on this than I did on TNA or TZA. And some of them are going to be higher, some of them are going to be lower. Notice, so for these ETFs, some of them are betting the market goes up, the other one betting market goes down. And this is actually a stock, and they have earnings this week. I don't really want to hold on to it. I got assigned it last week. I was just trying to, get a few extra dollars in the account, and I got assigned. I do have a limit sell order on it, so I'm actually not going to do. I'm just going to wait for that to sell. Honestly, let's see what I could get for $39.50 though. Yeah, $1.48. So I'd get $148 for it. But then I do kind of risk if they have a bad earnings that I get stuck with it. But you know what? I think I'll go ahead and just do it anyway. Let me cancel this. I was hoping to just sell it in pre-market, but it went down. I didn't get too close to it. So $39.50, I'll take the extra money here. Let's just shoot for $1.50. And let's see what I could get. And who knows, earnings might be good and this goes up. You never know. So, and then now, all right, got an option sold there. I do have cash in there. So this is for, I'm going to do the cash secured puts at this point. So this will go down to the list here. All right, so I don't own any of this, so I might do a sell puts here. What I usually do for these is I go pretty down. What am I doing? All right, here we go. Getting notifications here. All right. So I'll go down here enough to where, yeah, let's say 15%, the market goes down 15%. So that'll be like about 20.50. So I'll sell there. So again, it's a triple leverage. So the market would actually have to go down about over 5% this week. So I'll just sell it there. And I usually like to try to go to a little bit higher here, just get a little bit more out of it. And then sell there. Sell to open to put. All right, they don't usually go through right away. Don't own any shares in this one, so let's do this. And again, I go down. You can see the 2 break-even numbers here. Okay, yeah, change it to put there. Now it makes more sense. All right, so get down to a little over 15%, and it's just not worth it. Wow, this is, yeah, not even worth it here. Yeah, I'm going to skip this one. Not sure what that's all about. Yeah, I don't own any shares of this one here. So let's see, it'll be put. Yeah, again, not getting much on that one either. Gonna move on. I do own that one. All right, don't own any shares of this. So I like to diversify a little bit. The Chewy option just sold. Let's go down to about, yeah, again, these are not really going to give me much here, so not going to bother holding up money for it. I do own there. Nat Gas, still trying to sell that for about $2. But it is down, so let's see if I could find a little bit lower here. 7, I get about a 50% annualized return on that, but it would be 9%. Let's do this. It's very volatile, so let me actually do this let me try to get 3 cents out of it, $3. All right. All right, we'll just see if that goes through or not. Yeah, silver, we're getting back to the ones that I just opened a option on some of these. Yeah, these went through here. That went through. Yeah, this one's waiting, so we're going to take a look at this one again. All right, so it went down a little bit here. Let's try 62. And we'll wait for that one to come back again. So I'm just going to go back and check to see if there's any trades, any open orders that I need to check back on here. These are both pending here. So on here, 36.50 and 37.50. I was doing 38.50 there. Do 37.50. All right. All right, so we'll see if that, again, not very much here, but yeah, they are there. So I could probably get a little bit more if I go down in price, but with a strike price. But anyway, this is just a kind of like what I do kind of thing, and I think that's about it. So thank you very much, and this is like the weekly update here, and I will do this again next week. Thank you all.